The Karnataka Chief Minister, through supplementary information released after a press conference, criticized the union government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for repealing the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (MGNREGA), enacted in 2005 under the UPA government led by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. The law has been replaced with the VBG Ramji Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar Ajivika Mission Rural Act during the winter session of Parliament. According to the statement, the legislation was passed after only 8 hours of discussion on December 17, 2025 and approved on December 18 without public consultation or consultation with states. The move reportedly impacts 12.16 crore workers nationwide, including 6.21 crore women, 17% scheduled caste workers, 11% scheduled tribe workers, and over 5 lakh persons with disabilities. In Karnataka, 71.18 lakh active MGNREGA workers were recorded in 2025-26, including 36.75 lakh women. During the drought year 2024-25, 19.28 crore people nationwide and 1.35 crore workers in Karnataka depended on this scheme. The Chief Minister stated that the new law violates Articles 258 and 280 of the Constitution and undermines decentralisation under the 73rd Constitutional Amendment. A protest letter dated December 30, 2025 was sent to the Union Government, with the state demanding repeal of the new act and restoration of a strengthened MGNREGA.